Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money from Apple Pay to Cash App. Quick fix step by step clearly. To transfer money from Apple Pay to Cash App, open your Cash App on your mobile device. Log into your Cash App account if you aren't already signed in. Tap on the Balance tab located at the top of your screen. Select Add Cash to start the transfer process. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer from Apple Pay. Tap Add to proceed. Now, you will need to link your Apple Pay account to your Cash App. Open the Apple Pay app on your device. Select the card you want to use for this transaction. Choose Send Money or a similar option available on your screen. Enter the same amount you selected in Cash App. Now, tap Pay. You will be prompted to confirm the transaction. Review the details and tap Confirm to complete the payment. Once the transaction is successful, return to your Cash App. Your Cash App balance will now reflect the transferred amount. If your balance does not update immediately, wait a few moments and refresh the app. That's it. You've successfully transferred money from Apple Pay to Cash App. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.